Hi producers, Top Music Arts here. In today's video we're gonna see the best techniques we can use to make our kick drum sound better in the mix, make it more punchier and evident in the track. We're gonna show you two different examples. The first technique is by using our kick combined with another sample. The first thing we do is we use a click that we slice off the kick. It's a little slice that we cut off the kick itself, just a few milliseconds after the start. We make a fade out, and that's it. To achieve similar result, we can also layer another sharp clip, for example a percussion, with a nice clicky attack. We don't want to keep all the body, we just need a tiny piece, just to transient. We can also try a phase inversion on the top layer to check if it works better. It adds a more clicky sound. Let's try now with a clap sample with a small reverb on it. You can also use a ride sample, like this one. But feel free to experiment with other samples. And if you want, you can combine them all together. The second technique is using parallel compression. We create a chain so we end up having a perfect copy of our original signal that we can independently process. We use a low cut to filter out the body of the kick like this. And then we use a compressor. We set a high ratio, bring down the threshold, and then use a slow attack. And we adjust until we hear the very first transient. Finally, let's listen to one of these techniques. In this case, parallel compression in our progressive house template. That's all for now. Comment under the video which one you like the most. Be sure to subscribe for more tips. Thank you very much and see you in the next tutorial.